Yeah, well, I'm on my morning stroll and I'm gonna stop right here in front of my newest listing at 15 Wedgewood Road here in the Tashua part of Trumbull. They built it back in 1986. They are the original owners, and it's time that they're going south. But listen, it's a great house, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. They've done a lot of nice renovations to it. Why don't you come inside, check it out, see what you think. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Such friendly people around here. I was out having my walk this morning and all these neighbors and people are just walking everywhere. It's just a great walking neighborhood. I love this neighborhood. Matter of fact, a real quick story is that years ago, my oldest son, John, used to go to Tashua Elementary School and he used to take his vocal lessons and singer lessons right up the street here over at Stan's house. And once a week he would walk from Tashua School to the singing lessons and my wife and I would pick him up, or go to the lesson and meet him there. But it's that close to the elementary school, Tashua. When I was young, I took some piano lessons. I don't think they paid off very well. But this baby grand piano can be yours if the price is right. And talk about preserving the hardwood floors. They didn't know. So I pulled up a corner of the carpeting and sure enough, fresh oak floors were down there. I think they're probably virgin. The other thing too is I said, is the baby grand piano staying? She said, if I get the right offer, it will stay. But listen, what a great room this is. I mean, it's the formal living room. Lots of windows, very sun-filled. Wait till you see the rest of this house. I love this kitchen. Large eat-in kitchen, large dining area, but they did nice upgrades in here. They put these beautiful granite counters on. They did the tiled glass backsplashes. There's some nice recessed lighting in here. I mean, great cabinet space and a beautiful brochure that was done by me as well. Nice, spacious, formal dining room. Beautiful views of the neighborhood. And again, you got those preserved hardwood floors beneath the carpeting. So as you tour around this house, take notice of these beautiful floral arrangements my wife Stephanie puts together. I think they're gorgeous. Look at this family room, man. I mean, look at cathedral ceilings, sliding glass doors out to the rear deck, wood-burning fireplace that's never, ever been used. Go figure. Preserved hardwood floors under all this carpeting. Picture windows that, again, overlook this beautiful neighborhood. What a fantastic room this is. Oh, hey, and I want to give a shout out to my favorite sports team, the New York Knicks, world champions. If there ever was a team that showed the definition of never giving up, fighting till the end, grit, determination, that is the team to watch. It's the New York Knicks, world champions. Go Knicks! So up here on the second level, we have 4 generously sized bedrooms and 2 full baths. So you come right out of the family room and you're on this large Trex deck that overlooks this beautiful wooded private yard. It's a corner lot. This area is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's stone's throw to one of my favorite restaurants, Echo. And you're really close to Prime 111. Great spot, never go hungry. I love this neighborhood because again, it's so close to the Tashua Knolls Golf Course and Recreational Center right around the corner, besides my favorite restaurants. But listen, thank you so much for coming on this tour of 15 Wedgewood Road here in the Tashua part of Trumbull. Great house, amazing location, amazing neighborhood, great neighbors, everyone's walking. But listen, thank you so much. If you want to see this property, if you want to know more about it, you can shoot me a text, call me, or an email at 203-209-2529, or you can email me at j@jcannone.com. Once again, thank you so much for coming on this tour and have a great rest of your day.